Dear student, in our solar system there is a beautiful planet, that is our Earth. Our planet, also called biosphere. Bio, which means life. Sphere, a spherical body. So a spherical body where life is possible. It's because everything is there in our planet which are very important for our life. Like oxygen is there, water is there, different kind of plants are there, and different kind of animals are there. Therefore, we can say that our planet is very suitable for life. Therefore, our planet also called biosphere. In our planet, mountains are there, oceans are there, rivers are there, sunlight is there. It means everything is there in our planet. Therefore, scientists divided our planet into different systems. These systems called ecosystem. So in this video, we will discuss about ecosystem, their components, different kind of ecosystem in detail. I hope you will watch the whole video. Ecosystem. Living and non-living things function together in a specific area and make an ecosystem. Ecosystem further divided into two parts, namely land ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. Land ecosystem. Land ecosystem further divided into following ecosystem. Forest ecosystem, the ecosystem of forest. Desert ecosystem, the ecosystem of desert. Grassland ecosystem, the ecosystem of grassland. Mountain ecosystem, the ecosystem of mountain. Polar ecosystem, the ecosystem of polar region, North Pole and South Pole. And aerial ecosystem. The second type of an ecosystem is aquatic ecosystem. The aquatic ecosystem, also called water ecosystem. This ecosystem further divided into pond ecosystem, freshwater ecosystem, and marine ecosystem. Dear students, as you know that your classroom is made up of different kind of components. Like whiteboard is there, chairs are there, tables are there, marker is there, students are there, different kind of charts are there. All these things are called the component of your classroom. And the second example, cell and their components. You know well that every cell is made up of different kind of components like mitochondria, cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum. So like all these things, ecosystem also made up of different kind of components. All these components are called ecosystem components or the components of ecosystem. Our ecosystem is made up of two main components. Number one, biotic components, and number two, abiotic components. Biotic components. All the kinds of living things in an ecosystem called biotic components. As we know that bio, which means living or life. Example, microorganisms, plants, human and animals are the best example of biotic components in our ecosystem. Abiotic components. A, which means no, and bio, which means life. So components in an ecosystem, they have no life, are called non-living or abiotic components. Or you can say all non-living things in our ecosystem are called abiotic components. The best example of abiotic components are air, soil, stone, water, sunlight, and temperature.